If you need, you can add hatch pattern on your object. If you go here, we have a hatch pattern. To assign that, you can see we have line. You can add a line. If you click on this line, you can see this hatch will be appear. If you open this, you can change a shift or change a spacing in between lines. You can change the rotation of the lines, change the position in the y, x, and you can add a dashed space. For example, add dash. You can see a dash and then space. You can create in 1 millimeter space, 1 millimeter dash, space, dash. And you can change these numbers to create your dashed anything that you want. Okay, something like this, you can see. Or you can add another line to your dash. You can change, you can open it, you can change the for example, dash, space, anything that you want. You can rotate it anywhere that you want. This is just one line. It's add one line. If you want a line, you can use add line and change the position in the y or x to create your run over your object. And let's move it. You can see this is just a pattern. That's it. You can create your pattern. From here, you can delete your line and use this just line here. Okay. And if you go to the color and assign another color to that. If you need, you can use this hatch pattern. It's easy.